Hello and welcome to a new topic. What is reasoning? This is Lecture 1, English for students of philosophy. What is reasoning? Reasoning is the power of thinking by which we distinguish truth from falsehood and right from wrong. We have the next point. It is the thinking power of the mind. It is popularly referred to as thought knowledge. We have some more ideas about what is reasoning. It's also regarded as mental architect upon which the temples of science and philosophy are based. Let's see some more points about what is reasoning. In order to reason correctly, it is necessary to have a good intellect and an objective outlook. However, we all are not having reasonable thoughts and ideas. Therefore, unfortunately, the most illogical and unreasonable ideas are accepted without question, dispute, or examination by the masses, by the general public, by most of the people around the world. How? Let's see. Why? Because those ideas are presented to people in such a respectful way as we see them in a religion, because religious ideas are very holy, very respectful, very pious. They are packed in such a way that people just believe in them in such an authoritative manner as we notice them in politics, that blind acceptance of illogical ideas becomes the norms, becomes the fashion, becomes the general standard of accepting the illogical ideas. We have some more ideas. Mere assertion by the religious or political leaders seems sufficient for the multitude of followers to accept those irrational ideas. So my advice is that never allow your reason to be influenced by your emotions. Once emotions overrule reasons, you stop to exist yourself as a logical, analytical, or thinking human being. Hope you understand the concept in brief. Thank you and goodbye.